Hi, I'm Anthony with Quality Heating Service Team. One of the most common calls for a problem with a unit is going to be a plug filter. A person may not know where it's located or how long it's been in there. It's fairly simple to figure that out. Basically, you come down to your furnace. Wherever the ductwork is, whether it be on the left side or the right side, you follow that ductwork right down. Filters vary in size. This one just happens to be a 20 by 25 by 4 media filter. Your filter rack, not all of them have a housing to it. Some of them are wide open. This one just happens to have a case to it. Grab the door, give a quick pull out. Set that door off to the side. This one, all it is, pull it out. On every filter, there's an arrow that signals airflow. The arrow always points towards the furnace. You can get these filters anywhere, online, any box store, big box store. Slides right in, very simple. Put the door right back on, you just replace your filter. There's many things that are going to get a filter dirty faster. Could be the number of people in the home, pets, smoke, candles, fires, oil or grease, however you're cooking. A bigger filter, a 4-inch filter, is rated for about 6 months to 1 year. Any 1-inch filter, whether it's pleated, it's about 2 to 3 months. A fiberglass is rated for 1 month. Again, that will vary to the lifestyle of what your home is about. How many of those things that are going to get it dirty faster.